Microsoft Power Platform Fundamentals PL 900 exam. Good questions are the best material for you to pass the test easily. 1. A company creates Canvas apps for its sales team. A user creates a Canvas app from a data source. You need to determine the screens created. Which 3 screens should you identify? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Welcome. B. Edit, create. C. Browse. D. Details. E. Delete. 2. A company has an online store to sell toys. The volume of order tracking requests has increased. You need to allow customers to use an interactive interface on the website to request order tracking information. Which technology should you use? A. Customer Service Insights. B. Power BI. C. Power Virtual Agents Chatbots. D. Power Automate Flows. 3. A company uses a manual process to manage escalations for customer support calls. You must use Power Automate to automate the process for routing escalated calls. You need to create the flow. Which type of connector should you use? A. Office 365 users. B. Microsoft Excel. C. Microsoft Dataverse. 4. A company is considering implementing Power Platform. The company must minimize development costs. For which 3 scenarios should you consider implementing Power Apps portals? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A customer support website that includes knowledge-based search and support for document uploads. B. A public website that supports multilingual communities with forums and blog support. C. A secure website for mobile users that is available only by using a VPN into the corporate network. D. A secure website for vendors accessing data stored in Common Data Service. E. An internal website for employees with limited access to Dynamics 365 finance data. 5. You need to implement Microsoft Business applications along with the Microsoft Power Platform. Which 3 Microsoft products are pan of the Power Platform? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Power Apps. B. Azure Active Directory. C. Power Automate. D. Azure Machine Learning. E. Power BI. 6. A company wants users to start using Power Automate to improve personal productivity. You need to create a flow. Which 2 elements must you include? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Condition. B. Expression. C. Trigger. D. Action. 7. A Power Apps developer has sufficient permissions to create apps, connections, and flows. The developer does not have permissions needed to access company data. You need to grant the developer access to company data for an app. Which predefined security role should you assign to the developer? A. Basic user. B. System customizer. C. Environment maker. D. Delegate. 8. You test a business process flow in a sandbox environment. When you complete testing, you must copy the business process flow to a production environment without bringing any data or other modifications with it. You must meet the requirements. What should you do? A. Export the default solution. B. Export the form that contains the business process flow to a separate solution. C. Add the business process flow to a separate solution. Export the solution. D. Create a view and export the view. 9. A business uses a form to collect information. You create a business process flow for the form. The top of the form must display where the user is in the process. You need to identify what to configure at the top of the form. What should you identify? A. Step, B. Stage, C. Branch, D. Workflow. 10. A company is building an interactive chatbot to answer questions about products and product warranties. You need to create conversation paths re questions about product warranties. Which tool should you use? A. Azure Bot Framework, B. Power Platform Admin Center, C. Conversation Node, D. Authoring Canvas, E. Power Virtual Agents Portal.